Hello. Today we'll walk you through how to enhance your WooCommerce store by adding swatches with the Simple Variation Swatches plugin. First, we need to install the plugin. Just search for Simple Variation Swatches in your WordPress plugin directory page, install it, and activate it. Next, let's head to the plugin settings. Here, you can change the default variation type for your products. Options include Select, Radio, and Button. We'll go with Radio for this example. Let's check out how it looks on a single product page. Now let's add some color and image swatches to a product. To do this, we'll create two attributes, each with its own set of terms. Once that's done, navigate to your product's edit page to assign these attributes. Great, our color and size attributes are all set. Now we will assign them to the product page. Before doing that, we need to remove the old variations from the product. And that's it. Head back to your product page to see your new color and image swatches in action, replacing the old dropdowns. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.